How to get her obsessed with you. The first thing is you must start with the belief in your mind. Because if you can fix a belief that she is already obsessed with you, then in your physical reality, she will actually become obsessed with you. Because your physical reality is nothing but an extension of your own mental activities. Results in your physical reality will appear to confirm your fixed belief. This is the reason why yogis call our physical reality as Maya. Maya means illusion or a magical lie. And I understood this spiritual principle during COVID lockdown. When I was 19, I was into game, I was into pickup, I was learning so many different psychology tricks in order to get an intimate relationship with a girl that I liked. And then I got her. But during COVID lockdown, as I started to suffer from anxiety and panic attacks, I had to turn inwards. I started to meditate. And meditation taught me one thing. That is, outer game techniques, dating tricks, psychology tricks, all these weird, creepy pickup techniques never really worked. It was all my vivid imagination and feelings I had while reading a book called Sex God Method that actually created this intimate relationship in my physical reality. So, your only real power is your own imagination. And through this imagination, through your own wonderful imagination, you can fix a belief that she is already obsessed with you in your subconscious mind. And when your subconscious mind is impressed with this belief, it must get outpictured into your reality. Your subconscious mind, in its infinite intelligence, will interact with every atom of your physical world until whatever you have imagined actually materializes in your life. So, tonight, before you go to bed, relax completely, either through yoga nidra or through deep breathing exercise, whatever works. Just relax completely. The key is to slow down your breath so that your brain waves start to become slower and more coherent. Your brain waves need to go from beta waves to alpha waves and theta waves. This is when you start to think in pictures, and all these pictures, this visualization will go right into your subconscious mind. After you relax, just start to create an imaginal act where you have this girl that you like in your arms. You are touching her hair. She is looking at you. You can see that her pupils are dilated because she is so attracted towards you. She is smiling at you. She is complimenting you, saying things like, "Wow, you're so amazing. I'm so lucky to be with a guy like you." Imagine that she is trying to kiss you and you just have a big smirk on your face because she is completely in love with you. You can smell the perfume on her body in this visualization act. You guys are watching a beautiful mountain range or a beach together. Provide all the sensory vividness to this imaginal act so that your brain starts to believe that these wonderful things are actually happening to you in real time. Now, your job is to mentally rehearse this imaginal act over and over again until you start to feel feelings of joy or satisfaction or thrill or gratitude. Only after you feel these elevated emotions of joy or gratitude or accomplishment, this imagination will go into your subconscious mind and becomes a program. Now you have just fixed a belief that she is already obsessed with you. And when you have fixed a belief in your subconscious mind, then this belief will get outpictured into your reality. This imagination will actually materialize into your physical reality. Results only follow to confirm your fixed belief. Do not forget this. If you get this imagination plus how to feel these elevated emotions in order to create the desired physical reality, then you do not have to rely on any weird, creepy dating techniques, any cold approach gurus, any nags, any DHV stories, any funny pickup lines in order to get attraction, in order to bring obsession out of the girl that you desire. You simply relax, close your eyes, start to imagine that she is obsessed with you, make this imagination real by providing all the sensory vividness, mentally rehearse it to the point that you are starting to feel these elevated emotions. Do this every night for at least 30 days, and one night when you have sustained the elevated emotions of thrill or accomplishment, then this program is going to get impressed into your subconscious mind. Then you will lose free will. She will lose free will. Now you guys are going to be compelled towards each other. She will be obsessed with you. You will just find the right words to utter. You will be compelled to exhibit the confident body language. Everything will happen effortlessly and naturally because it's all your subconscious mind doing. Now, take your ego out of this equation. You're not doing anything. Your only job is to fix a belief in your subconscious mind. Everything will be done by your subconscious mind after you have fixed a belief on it. You do not have to raise a single finger. Everything will be effortless. Now, if you want one-on-one personalized coaching from me, where I will help you develop a solid imagination, solid attention, solid capacity to hold feelings, elevated feelings, so that whatever you have imagined will actually get out pictured into your physical reality in terms of dating, so that you can skyrocket your dating life, then message me on my Gmail or WhatsApp, which are linked in the description and the pinned comment section down below as well. Remember, an average human being cannot visualize strongly. He cannot put the sensory vividness in his visualization act. An average, a normal human being cannot feel these elevated emotions of joy, this gratitude, because he has practiced feeling negative emotions. He has practiced feeling bored or unworthy or some other weird negative emotion for the majority portion of his life. That now it's kind of difficult for him to feel these positive feelings. An average human being has a very bad attention span. He cannot hold his attention on the desired imagination because his attention will either go to past traumatic event or it will start to anticipate a worst case scenario where the girl that you like is rejecting you. But you have to discipline your attention. You have to train the faculty of your imagination. You have to train the faculty of your body's capacity to hold positive feelings for a long period of time so that this imagination gets impressed into your subconscious mind fast. So train all these faculties of your brain and body for at least 1 month. Give yourself time. Invest in yourself for at least 30 nights in a row. Practice yoga nidra, practice relaxation. And one day, when you land this program into your subconscious mind, things will change in an instant. Subscribe and I will see you in the next video.